Hey guys, my name is Shivij and welcome to my channel Technon. So guys, as you know, during this festive season, everyone wants to buy some gifts for their family and friends or for themselves too. So today I have brought to you some very cool tech gadgets that you could buy for your friends and family or yourself during this festive season. So you can buy all these tech gadgets online either on Amazon or Flipkart, and I'll be giving you the links for all these tech gadgets in my description. So the first gadget on my list is the electronic mobile handheld gimbal stabilizer. I know it's a long name, but this gadget is also very crazy and cool. So this device basically has a few buttons on the handle from which you can move the gimbal. So when the gimbal will move, you can capture the shots very easily and from every angle. And what it does is that it increases the stability of the video when you're recording it, and you can capture every angle very easily through this device. Its 3-axis feature will help you capture every shot and any shot very easily, and its gimbal can move in every angle. Its weight is very light, just about 500 grams, so it would be a suggestion from me to all the vloggers on YouTube that they should use this device to vlog. It captures every shot very cinematically also. So this device's price range is from rupees 4,000 to about 6,000. I'm not telling you this gadget from a specific company, but many companies on the Amazon or Flipkart have this type of device. So according to the price, you can see which type you want. The second gadget on my list is the selfie ring light. So it is basically a circular clip with a ring light on it, which can be attached on the top of your phone. So what it does is it helps you click better photos in better lighting. It is very light and portable also. You can carry it anywhere you want to. And these type of ring lights are also available in multiple colors. You can also adjust the level of brightness in these ring lights. And it's adjustable almost on all the phones. Now coming to its price range is from just rupees 100 to about rupees 300. So you can choose your own type. Now the third gadget, which is the wireless presentation presenter. So you all must have seen laser lights which are used by presenters to show or pinpoint something on the presentation which they are showing on the projector. So this gadget has also functions like page up, page down, or play slides or black screen for PowerPoint presentation. And its wireless range is up to 100 meters. And to connect this, what you will be provided with is a USB receiver which will connect to your laptop, and it works on Windows and Mac or Linux, and it does not need any separate driver or software to be used. So its price range is from rupees 500 to rupees 1000. So guys, now coming to the fourth gadget, which is the mini instant photo camera. So this camera is a very cute and little camera from which you can click instant pictures, small size pictures. And this camera is very light, about from 300 grams to 500 grams. And it has the high key mode from which you can click softer pictures, and you can also adjust the brightness and tone in this camera. It also has built-in flash and automatic exposure measurement. Now coming to its price range. Its price range is from rupees 3,000 to rupees 6,000. And obviously the 6,000 would be better, but a 3,000 one is also not bad. And now coming to the last and the fifth gadget, which is the mini digital photo frame. So this gadget can basically play all your photos in a slideshow, or if you want to present a photo digitally. So it is provided with a USB slot or a memory card slot from which the pictures would be played, and it could also play videos, and you can also shift this photo frame to a calendar mode or an alarm clock mode. And it has a great LED display, and you can also rotate or zoom the photos or videos which you are playing in it. So guys, as told before, the links for all these tech gadgets are given below in the description, and tell me what is your choice and comment them down below. So guys, if you like the video, please drop a like to this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. And also share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.